Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python Dictionary Collection with adding, updating key value pairs. So first of all, what is dictionary collection in Python programming? So in Python, dictionary, dict is a data type. So coming to some technical points about dictionary collection. So dictionary is a collection of elements as key value pairs. For example, dict1 is equals to curly brackets, roll number 1001, key value, name Sai, key value, age 21, key value. So here keys are unique, no duplicates. So if you try to put a duplicate key, it will replace the existing key value pair. So next, coming to values. So values can be duplicated. So dictionary does not provide indexes to its collection. So dictionary is mutable data structure, which means modifications are okay once it is created. Adding, deleting, updating are possible. And dictionary key value pairs are given in curly brackets and they are separated with commas. So here key value pairs are separated with key and value is separated with colon. For example, dictionary 2 curly brackets 1001 key colon Sai value 1002 key colon value Ram 1003 key colon value Ali. So now coming to dictionary. Okay, so in dictionary we don't have indexes. So to access dictionary data we use dictionary key. So dictionary key, it is used to add new key value pair or update existing key value pair. For example, dictionary of key is equals to value. This is a syntax. So it will add a new key value pair if it is not existing. So dictionary 1 of old key is equals to new value. If that key is already available, it will update the existing key value, especially the value with a new one. So that is the reason why keys are unique in a dictionary. For example, dictionary 1 1001 Sai 1002 Ram 1003 Ali. So dictionary 1 of 1004 Krishna. So 1004 key is not available, so it will add new key value pair. And dictionary 1 1003 Siva. So 1003 it is already available, so Ali, it will be updated with Shiva. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python dict example 5. So let us take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. I'm taking an initial dictionary dict1 1001 Sai 1002 Ram 1003 Ali. So print dictionary 1. So let us execute till here. Right. So save this program. Come to the command prompt where you have saved the program and run it. Python dict example 5. So this is our initial dictionary with 3 key value pairs 1001, 1002, 1003. Right. So now let us perform addition of new key value pair. So dict1 of 1004 Krishna. Print dictionary 1. So since 1004 is not there, it will add that new key value pair. into the dictionary. Right. So next, let us update 1003. So dictionary 1 1003 Siva. Ali will be updated with Siva because it is already available in the existing dictionary. Ali, it is replaced with Siva. Next, so print, it will take a empty new line. So I'm taking a empty dictionary, empty curly braces, dict 2. Okay, right. So you can also take a empty dictionary like this also using dict function. So print dict 2. Okay, so let us execute till here. Empty dictionary dict 2. Okay, so no key value pairs. So let us add new key value pairs and print it. Right, so dict 2 key, roll number 1001, name, psi, height 6.2. So roll number, name, height are not available. They will be added into dict 2. Print dict 2. So save this and run it. So this is dictionary 2. Roll number, name, height 1001, psi 6.2. Next, let us update dictionary 2. So dictionary 2 of name, which is a key. So name is Sai. I'm updating it to Sairam Kumar. Print dictionary 2. So Sai will be replaced with Sairam Kumar because the key is available in dict 2, dictionary 2. So next take print, it will print an empty line. After that, I'm creating a empty dictionary using dict function. And after that, print empty dictionary. So let us execute till here. Empty dictionary dict 3. So this is our empty dictionary. Now let us add dynamic data into dictionary 3. Very simple. Dict 3 roll number assigned with input, enter roll number, convert that into integer and store that as a value for roll number. Dict 3 name, it is not available. It will add name key and its corresponding value is input function enter name, dynamic value from keyboard. Similarly, dict 3 height, so key is not available. Okay, so I'm taking input enter height, convert that into float and store that as a value for height key, and finally print dictionary 3. Right, so save this. Dictionary 3 dynamic values. So initially dictionary 3 is empty, so roll number 1003, name Krishna, height 5.6. Okay, so this is dictionary 3 with new key value pairs. So this is how we are supposed to work with a dictionary key for adding new key value pairs or updating existing key value pairs. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.